I love this one. I mean,
I like the first thing that she checks after just,
it's to reach immediately to
yeah,
the phone.
immediately reaches.
It makes me think the whole thing, I don't know.
That's not a setup, man. She's
Yeah.
upside down. Her eyes tell the whole story.
Yeah. It also is old enough that it predates the whole AI slop era.
Yeah.
I mean, that video has been around for a while, and I guess it's probably legit. It's hilarious. I'm glad she seems to be okay at the end of the video. She at least had the wherewithal to reach immediately for her phone.
Listening to Britney suck.
As just at the top of her lungs.
And the emotion behind it. What was going on in her life?
I don't know, but we've all.
Oh, yes, no. That's true.